Yo, so I have a ThinkPad, right? And I bought it used, and the battery is like super ass. Like it charges in like less than an hour. Does anyone have any tips as to like buying a new power thing, a new battery for a ThinkPad or something? Like, how do I know which one's good, which one isn't? You know, if it will explode, it's knockoff. If knockoff is okay, if as long as it's like good enough. You know, I don't know. I need tips on to buying a ThinkPad battery because I'm pretty sure they don't make ones that are new for T420S. You know, it's the second gen. I think it's called Sandy Bridge the CPU architecture. I don't remember, but yeah, if anyone has anything to help, any way to help me about like my ThinkPad battery, I'd appreciate it, bro. If anyone, I also I think there's like something called like TLP or something that helps reduce battery usage. I will try that, but I also just want a surefire way of like a hardware way to like increase my battery life. You know, I feel relying on software is kind of like, I don't know, it's not the best way. It might be, but I don't know. I just like some help. If anyone could help me, please help me find a way to increase my battery on my ThinkPad or help, like buying a replacement ThinkPad battery. Please help.